In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Doji Star Bullish, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pull this pattern up on your chart and start using it in your technical analysis without any confusion. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the asset and time frame you want to analyze already loaded. It can be any market you're following, like stocks, forex, or crypto. Once you're on the chart, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can add all kinds of tools and strategies to your chart, and it's the main place you'll go whenever you want to apply a new indicator or pattern. After you click Indicators, a search window will open. At the top of that window, you'll see a search bar. Click in that search bar and type the word Doji. As you type, Tradingview will automatically start filtering the list below to show anything related to Doji patterns. This makes it a lot quicker than scrolling through everything manually, especially if you're new to the platform. Now, from the filtered list that appears, look for the one called Doji Star Bullish. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, because there can be several different Doji-related tools and scripts available. Once you see Doji Star Bullish in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you do that, Tradingview will add the pattern detection to your chart. You should start seeing markers or highlights appear whenever a bullish Doji star forms, depending on how that particular script is set up. At this point, you can hover over those signals or zoom in on the chart to get a better feel for how the pattern looks in context. This is a great time to study how price behaves before and after each signal, so you're not just relying on the tool, but actually understanding the pattern itself. If you want to unlock more advanced features and get the most out of Tradingview, check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description of this video. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to additional chart layouts, more indicators per chart, and a smoother overall experience, especially if you're serious about trading. That's all you need to do to add the Doji Star Bullish pattern to your charts quickly and easily.